how do we see that AI can support the innovators, and can AI submit themselves ideas?
So no, the AI does not submit any ideas themselves. It's really just a tool to amplify the individual, right? And so it's not coming up with ideas. It's just helping you maybe rephrase them or flesh them out so that they make more sense. The AI just looks at it and it says, is this something that we can actually use? And in terms of how does it help the people? So you have both the submitter, who that's what I just addressed, right? It's just helping us put our thoughts together more clearly, but then it also helps on the back end with anybody in the innovation management team that has to sort through tens, hundreds, or even thousands of ideas that are submitted. And are there duplicates? Do they make sense? Can we group them together in themes? And yes, our AI does all of that to really make their job more streamlined, because we don't all have 100 hours a week to sort through submissions, but we know that they're valuable.
Hannah, to that question, I know it was addressed to Peter, but what I would love to share is that just from my times when I was managing I was on the reviewing ideas that came on an innovation challenge. When you're on that side, it's really time consuming to read every submission that comes, because the medium of submission still remains predominantly language. And I remember a time when I read a proposal at least 3 times because it was written by a PhD scientist. And I was like, I'm not a native speaker of English, so I have to be just to this person. I have to be able to evaluate whether this submission is in scope of the challenge or not. So when you have AI to support people in writing, it can help people simplify the language or the tone or shape the language to the audience, because as long as it's still written input, it is going to be still language on the other side. But then even if you need to demo, say like, hey, you developed an AI agent and you are presenting how it's working, AI can help you shape the story to simplify it, because as humans, we need simple terms to learn, to understand. So AI can still be a powerful tool to help us elevate the genius in us.